Right, so a little look at last week's stuff first. Right, minus b formula, that for me, please. From that. Yeah, the quadratic formula we used last week. So what's a? B? And C? 12. Exactly. So a is 1, b is minus 7, and c is 12. Right. Off you go. Put in the figure and do it on your printer. So, easiest way to do it, first of all, is you write down the sum, you write down the formula, and then you put in the figures on a sheet there. Okay, so we get that. Have we a calculator today, guys?
I literally walked in and I forgot something.
There you go. Right, minus b formulas. Sorry? So, we put it into our calculator, and we get 4, and we get 3. That's what we should get, right? So, when they ask us to solve this, we can either factorize it, or else we can minus b it. When they say this, solve, correct, well, 2 decimal places, you must use minus b. You can't factorize it because they said correct the 2 decimal places. That already you must use minus b formula. You can't like factorize, you know, like guide number inside. allowed to do that because it says correct two decimal places. So what I want you to do is I want you to minus b this and correct the two decimal places. Off you go. So minus b formula as usual, correct the two decimal places. 2x squared minus 3x minus 7. Right, let's have a little look at it then. So we're asked to solve 2x squared minus 3x minus 7, correct the two decimal places. So Julianne, what's A? A is 2. B is? And C is equal to? And our formula is minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So then that's minus B. It's minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 to be squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 7 all over 2 times 2. We all happy with that? And plus and minus. So I'm just going to put that into my calculator really quick. That's 3 plus the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2, 7. And we're getting 2.76 for plus. And for minus, we're getting minus 1.26, is it? Minus 1.26. Right, we're going to do one more of those. So have a go at this one. Same thing again. Solve, correct, to two decimal places. (3x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. Off you go. Right, guys, let's have a little look at it. So, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to minus 7. So that's minus B, so that's minus 5, plus or minus the square root of B squared, which is 5 to be squared, minus 4 times A, which is 4 times 3, times C, which is minus 7, all over 2 times 3. Be happy with that? So let's fire that into the calculator. That's minus 5 plus the square root of 5 to be squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 7 sorry, 2 seconds, I made a mistake there. Minus 5 plus the square root of 5 to be squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 7 all over 2 times 3. Now we're getting 0.9 for the plus, 0.90, that's the plus answer, and for the minus, we're getting minus 2.57. Perfect. Good stuff. Right. So, another way they could ask us to do it is the following. They could ask us to leave it in something called surd form. Alright? or this format. And what that means is there's going to be a square root in your answer. So you don't want to correct the decimal places. You do everything the exact same. The only thing that changes is you don't only get to the bottom when you press the SD button on your calculator to get into decimal places. Don't press it. Alright, so I want you to solve this, but give me the answer to the square root of it. Don't press SD, don't press calculator. Is that okay? That's known as third form or this format. You might see this in the examples. I'll go. X squared minus 2x minus 4. So, once again, our A, B, and C is 1 minus 2 and minus 4. Minus B formula doesn't change. Minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So that becomes minus minus 2 plus or minus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 all over 2 times 1. When you do the plus answer, minus answer, you should get 1 plus root 5 and 1 minus root 5. Is that right? So, that's us finished with quadratics. Right, the second last chapter we're going to be looking at when it comes to algebra. Linear inequalities. Right, so linear inequalities, second last chapter. So let's look at the following. These are all the symbols that we're going to be using in this chapter, alright? So, x is not equal to. Alright, that's what that little equals to with the sign goes through. It means not equal to. X is less than. How do I know the difference between less than and greater than? Yeah, but how do I know for a fact that's less than and that's greater than? How do you know? The big mouth and the small mouth. Right. Is the pointy end or the big mouth next to the x? The small bit. Small bit, less. The big mouth, greater. So it's ever next to the x. So that's a big amount next to the x, so it's greater than. The small amount is next to the x, so it's less than. Is that alright? Right. What's the difference between this and this one here? The line underneath, exactly. This means less than or equal to. The little line underneath the sign means equal to. And what's the difference between this one and this one? The line underneath. Greater than or equal. Is that okay? Right. So if we look at it, 5 is greater than -3, alright? So this is the most important rule when it comes to inequalities. 5 is greater than -3, yeah? What about this though? If you multiply both by -1. Great, so multiply 5 by -5. Julianne, multiply -3 by -1. +3. So we now have -5 and +3. Julianne, which one is greater? 3 is greater, exactly. That means my sign has to flip. Is that right? So, most important rule in inequalities. If you multiply by a negative number, the sign always changes. Is that okay? Whenever you multiply by a negative number across, the sign will always flip. The same applies when you divide by a negative number, right? Very, very important. Whenever you divide or multiply by a negative number, the sign will always flip. So, if you take, for example, 14 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2. Okay? Now, x's are always on the left, numbers are always on the right, they involve. So the next line is minus 3x greater than or equal to 2. What happens to 14 when it comes over? Minus 14. Minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 12. I want to get x on its own. What do I divide by? Minus 3. We divide by the number in front of x. Minus 3. X, once again, something to 4. Now what happens to my sign? It flips. Why does it flip? I divide it by a negative number. What's the rule? Whenever you multiply by a negative number or divide by a negative number, the sign must. Exactly. So now my sign becomes x is less than or equal to 4. Is that okay? Good stuff. So that's the rule there. The rule is multiplying by a negative number, the sign flips. Dividing by a negative number, the sign flips. Is that okay? Good stuff. Right. So if we look at this one, they want us to solve for x and then graph the solutions. Whenever you're doing inequalities, they're always going to want you to graph them. So we're worried about solving it first of all, and then we're worried about graphing. Is that okay? So x's are always on the left, numbers are always on the right. So what's going on the left now in the next step? What's going on the left hand side next? So 8x minus 3x. What's going on the right? 9 plus. Exactly. 8x minus 3x and then 9 plus 1. 3x comes over becomes minus 3x, 1 comes over becomes plus 1. Right, what's 8x minus 3x? 5x. What's 9 plus 1? 5x less than 10 divided across 5. 5x is equal, x is less than 2. Right. Sign never flip because it's just regular 5, isn't it? It only ever flips if it's negative. Now, that's it solved. This is going for 10 marks, you get 7 out of 10 for that. You also ask this, right? So if you ask you to graph it, you sketch a little number line. Here's my number line. Right. So the important thing to know about my number line. You all see it? So the important things you have to know about my number line is there's 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. I shaded this line. Now when it comes to this, what determines whether you shade it or put dots on it is what's up here. Is that okay? And what I mean by that is, you are going to see x is an element of R, x is an element of n, and x is an element of z. Alright? Three things. Anyone know what R stands for? Good girl, it's real. What does n stand for? Natural. And z? Maybe any idea? Integers. Alright, there are your three things. Real is any number. So any number you can think of falls into your real bracket. N is natural numbers. Natural numbers are whole positive numbers. And by that I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the up as far as you can go. Which are whole, can't be a fraction or a decimal, and must be positive. And Z is whole numbers which are positive or negative numbers. So that means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 all the way down, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all the way down. Alright? So we all looking up there now for a second. Don't worry, that's all these books come yeah. They're all there for you. Don't need to say them now. On my number line, because it tells me it's R, I must shade it in. Whenever it's R, you must shade it in. If it's N or Z, I just put dots. Because I'm not on about every number in between it. I'm only on about the actual number itself. I don't want all the numbers in between it, I only want the actual number. So it can only be 1 or 0 or minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3 or minus 4. If it's Z. If it's integers, if it's natural numbers N, it can only be 1. Is that okay? If it's a whole positive number. But if it's real, you must shade it in. Because it's every single number. All these numbers that are in the middle of these. For example, minus 3.5, minus 3.6, minus 3.7. Because they're all real numbers. Is that okay? So, when it's R, you shade in the line. When it's N or Z, you put dots. Put dots on the numbers. Is that okay? Now, the last thing, there's a bit in these graphs, but the last thing is, why did I put a circle around 2? Why didn't I shade the whole up circle? It's less than 2. If there was a little line underneath that, if it was like this, I'd have to include 2. But there's no line underneath it, so it's less than 2, not less than 3. Is that okay? We're going to do one of these. Right? It's a lot to take in, but we're going to do one of these. So, remember doing them in school, do you? Right, so, solve for me, example 2. Solve and graph. Solve and graph 2x plus 5 less than x plus 7, where x is an element of z. Alright? 2x plus 5 less than x plus 11, where x is an element of z. All right, let's have a little look at it. So, with that in mind, 2x plus 5 less than x plus 11. X is on the left. 2x minus x less than 11 minus 6. 2x minus x is 1x is less than 5. So x is less than 5. Is that alright? And then we draw our little... Oh, 11 minus 5 even, you're right. Well spotted. That should be 11 minus 5. Wasn't paying attention there for a second. Thank you. X is less than 6. So, you draw a line out to the side, you come out and you put 6 in the middle. Now, are we going to be going up or are we going to be going down? Down. So the next number is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, and so on. You also have to show a few numbers. You don't have to show them all. Now, Grace, am I going to put in dots or am I going to shade in? Dots. Good stuff. Juliana, am I going to include 6 or leave it out? Leave it out. Perfect. So I'll put a dot on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and so on. All you have to do is show a couple of numbers. Good stuff. Right, have a go at this one. Solve and graph this. Two bracket x plus 4 less than 2 minus x. 2 bracket x plus 4 less than 2 minus x. Same thing again. Solve it and graph it. Oh, sorry. X is an element R. Right, so 2 by x, 2x. 2 by 4 is 8, less than 2 minus x. That's 2x plus x less than minus 8 plus 2. That's 3x is less than minus 6. Divide by 3. X is less than minus 2. So, there's your number line again. Start in the middle with minus 2. Am I going up or going down? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Am I putting dots or am I highlighting it? Or is shaded in. Am I including minus 2 or am I leaving it out? Leaving it out. So you shade it in. And you go back in and you put a big circle around minus 2 to show that you're leaving it out. Right. Have a go at this one. 9 bracket x plus 1 minus 1 greater than or equal to 2 times 5x plus 6, where x is an element of z. Off you go. Right, let's have a little look at it. So, 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 1 is 9 minus 1. Greater than or equal to 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 6 is 12. So that's 9x minus 10x greater than or equal to 12 minus 9 plus 1 minus 1x greater than or equal to 12 and 1 is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, yeah? Divide by minus 1. X is less than or equal to minus 4. Don't forget your sign flips because you divide by minus 1. That's the rule. That's the big rule with inequalities. Then we go out and we draw our graph. Start with minus 4 in the middle. We're going up or we're going down? Going down. No, you don't always go down. The sign. Sign tells you it's less than. Minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. Do we put dots or do we shade it in? Dots. Do we include minus 4? We do. There's a little equals down underneath it. So we include minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. Right. Example 5. Have a go at this one. Only 15 minutes left, guys. So, you go and draw your graph. You would start with whatever fraction you got, and you pick the next whole number up, or next whole number down. Just do one. So we'll have a little look at this one. This one's a bit tough. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Less 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 2 is 12. That's 2x minus 6x less than 12 minus 6. That's minus 4x less than 6. Divide by minus 4. X is greater than minus 3 over 2. We put in our line. Start in the middle with minus 3 over 2. We going up or going down this time? Up. So what's the next whole number after minus 3 over 2? What's minus 3 over 2 in the calculator? Minus 1 point. If you don't know, put minus 3 over 2 into your calculator and hit SD. See what you get. So what's the next whole number going up? 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. 0. 1. 2. 3. Right. Am I putting dots or am I shading in? I'm shading in. Am I including minus 3 over 2 or leaving it out? Leaving it out. Perfect. And put a little red mark around it then. and there's your answer. They don't get any harder than that. Right, the last type of these we're going to look at. Nearly there, guys, about 10 minutes. When you have to throw two of them together. Oh, crap. So, solve for m and n in the graph for each. So, this time we have 4 minus x is less than or equal to 6, 3x minus 1 is less than or equal to x plus 9. So you have two of them, and we have to throw them in together. Is that right? So, first things first, don't worry about it, solve the two of them separately. Is that right? We're going to solve this one, and then we're going to solve this one. Alright? So don't worry about the fact there's two of them, just solve them separately first one. So, first one, 4 minus x is less than or equal to 6. So that's minus x is less than or equal to 6. Minus 4, yeah? Minus x is less than or equal to 2. Divide by minus 1, because minus 1 is the number in front of x, yeah? X is greater than or equal to minus 2. Why did the sign flip? Divided by a negative number, exactly. And on my left and on my right hand side now, I have 3x minus x is less than or equal to 9, minus 1 comes over and becomes plus 1. Is that okay? 3x minus x is 2x. 9 plus 1 is 10, divided by 2. X is less than or equal to 5. Right. We now have x is greater than or equal to minus 2, and x is less than or equal to 5. Is that okay? And they want us to graph the solution n intersection n. What n intersection n means, the two of them are the same. Is that okay? So, what that means is, first of all, we got to show what the two of them are. So, x is less than or equal to 5, show that there, and x is greater than or equal to minus 2. But it's still, see where x is on the left here and now x on the right. The sign doesn't actually change. What this says x is greater than or equal to minus 2, isn't it? And this says x is greater than or equal to minus 2. You read from the outside, you read from the inside out. Is that okay? See the way x is here, the big mouth is here, yeah? X is here, the big mouth is there. X and the small mouth, x and the small mouth. As long as it looks exactly like that, you're okay. So, on our graph then, that's what it looks like. You have 5 on this side and minus 2 over here. Is that okay? And it's shaded in because it's off. Right, we're going to do one of these just to finish up. So what I want you to do then is have a go at this one. A is x plus 2 greater than or equal to 5, x in element bar, and B is x plus 2 less than or equal to 7, or x in element bar. Solve and graph A intersection. Same one. No, that always is. Good question. That always is. They never get that.
Should x smaller than 5 be x bigger than 5? That's easy. Good stuff. 3 and 5? Let's look at it.
How did drawing the graph go? Are you confident, Julian? I'm sure it's grand. Right, let's look at it. So A is x plus 2, which is greater than or equal to 5, where x is an element of R. And B is x plus 2, less than or equal to 7, where x is an element of R as well. So we want to find A intersection B. So we solve the two of them first of all. That's x greater than or equal to 5 minus 2. That's x greater than or equal to 3. That's x less than or equal to 7 minus 2. X less than or equal to 5, where x is an element of R. So x in the middle greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 5. So it's between 5 and... no, it's not really that important, as long as you get your graph right. So you're going to put 5 up here, then 4, 3, put 2, put 6, just to make it look a bit better. Right, are we putting dots or are we shading it in? Shading it in. Are we including 5 and 3? We are. You have the equal to sign underneath. Right, we've time for one more, last one of the day. We'll finish on a high. Have a go at this. H is 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5, or x an element of R, and K is 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1, where x is an element of R. Right. Off we go. Solve the two of those and get me a graph. Solve and graph H intersection here. Yeah, they'll both always be, it'll either be Z, Z, or N, N, or R, R. They'll never be different. Right, let's look at it. So, H, 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5. 2x less than or equal to 5 plus 3. 2x less than or equal to 8. X divided across by 2. X is less than or equal to 4. K. 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1. 3x greater than or equal to minus 1 minus 2. 3x greater than or equal to minus 3. Divide both sides by 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. So, x then, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, the big mouth is next to minus 1, the small mouth is next to 4. There's your line, starting at 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and 5. We put a, we do need minus 1, well done. At least someone's paying attention to it. At least someone's paying attention. Right, are we putting dots or are we shading it in or what we do? We're shading it in. Are we including 4 and minus 1? Brilliant. Simple as that, girls, you have it. Well done. Huh? Good stuff. Right. Homework will go up as usual. You can't find the code. I'll show you, I'll tell you the code. Take down the code. Because you need to start doing your homework.